shine so bright, you might go blind. Blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gon' show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't look nice.
You look nice, don't you?
I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know then, but I know now.
Oh shit, sorry.
Kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Knew it right when I found it.
Yo, I ain't got nothing to say to y'all. I just think I look cute in the sunlight and I just want to record it because, you know, I want to go outside and be great. But like, I feel like if I go outside, I'm just going to end up shopping. And I don't want to do that. So, I need to buy some food because I'm hungry right now. The sun feels good, but then it's also really, really hot. That shit hurt. Oh, ow. What the fuck? Why? Hot so fast. Oh, Lord.
I shine so bright, you might go blind. Blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gon' show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice?
You look nice, don't you?
I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Knew it right when I found it. Eyes on me 'cause I got it. I got it. Do what I want, it's my party. I just answer my calling. They all up 'cause I got it. I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it, I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. Hey. Hey.
No. I don't. I know you didn't.
No, but it's like you can still feel it. It's still there.
Say hi. Say hi. You're gonna be in my vlog. You're doing in my vlog.
No, not like that. Look at my face. This light looks different.
My toes are so cute. Aren't they? Look at them. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
That woman knows how to square some toes, man.
She did good. Well, my girl did good too.
Yeah, they did really good.
Yeah, hey, I want to eat them. I know I have because at work, like I have to lift this thing to put up. I'd be like, Like, oh, look at you. Just one hand. So much struggling. Oh, I like his voice.
Nice sweet voice. It sounds like you might be up top. You don't sound like you come down here.
From where? Forget how I said it.
Washington or Philly.
Probably Philly. It's not. Like, what's his name? Remember? What? No, bro. I want to be purple. It can't be green. How cute is this? See y'all later.